No, my jeans are not allowing me to stand. But I did it, right? I made it, guys. I made it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nioka. Today I'm just taking a walk in the park. This park is so beautiful. I had to just come here and explore. Look at this. It's so beautiful, guys. So I'm just gonna take you guys with me and give you a tour of this beautiful park. It's very big, so I'm not gonna finish everything this evening, but I might do a part 2 or something like that. But for now, I'm just gonna be walking and showing you guys the park. I think the name of this park is Humber something something. I don't remember, to be honest. I'm gonna find out what the name is and I will let you guys know. All right, so yeah, I'm just walking here. I'm gonna turn the camera around so you guys can see. It's so beautiful. Oh, I look so good too. Oh, yes, girl. Let me tell you. So yeah, I'm gonna turn around the camera so you guys could see the beautiful pond. It looks so nice. I'm gonna turn around the camera. Yeah, this is so beautiful. This park makes me love nature. Like, I just want to come here, sit on the grass and just look at the water, look at the pond. So beautiful. Wow, I love this park so much. It's so beautiful and the trees are so green, like, and the weather is perfect. There's not a lot of people at the park today. Well, I haven't seen a lot of people. I'm pretty sure that if it wasn't for the lockdown, a lot more people would be here because the weather is so nice and it's cool and you can just come here, to enjoy. Guys, do you see me going down that trail? Do you see me going down that trail? No, 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 no. I will never go down there because it looks too scary and dark. It's actually 8 o'clock p.m. right now and it's so bright. When I just came to Canada, it felt so weird because, no, not when I just came. I mean, when summer started, it was so weird because I'm used to seeing night or darkness by maybe 6 or maybe like 7 p.m. But now it's actually 8 p.m. and it's still bright. Like, look at the sky. Yeah, it's still bright, right? And it's 8 p.m. Guys, I love Canada so much. It's so beautiful. The weather is nice. Even though they say that um whenever summer comes, I guess June, July, I don't know, it's gonna get hot, but I don't think this summer will be hot because it's pretty cool and nice and refreshing. Yeah, so I'm gonna just show you guys where I'm walking. What is that? Squirrel? Look at the squirrel. Woo. What else can I say? It's so beautiful here, guys. I love it. I would literally come here like for a whole day and just sit and watch nature. Like, before, I wasn't a nature type of person, but this park, like, there's something about this park. Like, since the first time I came to this park, I was like, yeah, this is where I want to go to chill. And worse, because of the lockdown, you don't have anywhere else to go. You just have to be walking in parks and taking walks just to clear your head and stuff like that. So well, you know, the virus or the lockdown has its ups and downs. Because for me, for this lockdown, it's good. It's good. It has its ups and downs. You know, I'm kind of happy that I got some time off. You know, just to clear my head, think about what I want to do. Um, Maybe if it wasn't for the lockdown, I wouldn't have my YouTube channel and be here talking to you guys right now, you know. So I got a couple 3 months off just to like cool down, think about what I want to do in my with my life and everything. So I mean, as I said, the lockdown has its ups and downs, and I mean, anyway, so I'm just taking a walk here. This boy, oh, the sun is too bright. Look at the squirrel, yo. I'm gonna walk far away from that because I don't want him to attack me. I remember when I was younger, because I'm not that old, and when we were in Jamaica, we had these same type of, I guess, trees, forest, bush. We call them bush, and there used to be a lot of mango trees, and there used to be a lot of mango trees, and we used to play like mango war. Like, guys, mango war. Every summer we used to go to this place, and it reminds me of this place here, except there are mango trees there, and we used to go to play mango war. Like, everybody just, the community just comes together, and everyone comes out, and you know, we have our teams. Like, okay, you are on this team, I'm on this team, and we just started heaping up some mangoes, you know, the ones that fall off the tree and they're very soft and ripe. And you know, we just used to throw them at each other, and that was like, those days were so fun. Like, I wish I was able to play mango war right now. I want to play mango war in this forest, but oh, the only thing, there's no mango tree, right? You know what I also want to say, guys, that I have a lot of good videos coming up, because since it's summer and I'm able to go out now, I have so many nice videos for you guys. So stay tuned, turn on that notification bell, guys, because that's very important. As soon as I upload a video, you guys will get that notification and you don't miss out on anything. So just turn on that notification bell. And also, guys, if you are new and it's the first video you're watching, guys, just subscribe and go ahead. I have a lot of videos already, guys, so you can go ahead and watch that video.
A few moments later.
Should I just jump off, or ah! Guys, I cannot do it. All right, climb it. Whoa. Oh, okay. Oh yes, okay. Okay, I got the trick, right? Oh yes, finally. No, I don't think I can stand. My jeans. No, my jeans are not allowing me to stand. But I did it, right? I made it, guys. I made it. Alright, guys, I made it up here, but how do I get down? Do I just jump off? It's too high. I'm gonna try. Maybe I can come off the way I. What if I rip my jeans? I'm gonna just jump off. Okay. Come Come with me, guys. I'm gonna show you this dark corner here. You know in the scary movies, this dark corner. Okay, come let me show you. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna be leaving now because it's getting dark. So I'm gonna be leaving, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell. So guys, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.